chat technicals. Nooresh Merani is with us on the show. And Nooresh, we've been talking about this pretty much more of the same, one step forward or two steps forward, one step back, day after day. And that correction is just not being witnessed in the markets. Do you think it's going to be more of the same?
So, if you look at it, it is two step forward, one step back, but we end up at the same place after 3 months. So, if you look at today's price, we are at 24,800. Now, this is the price point we first touched in the mid of July. So, you've July, August, September, October. So, this has been 3-4 months wherein we've seen that spike to 26,200. But eventually, more time has been spent around this 25,000 plus minus 300, 400 points. So, that's the range right now. And we continue to see divergent moves. So you see one day the bank Nifty does really well. Yesterday it faltered in terms of momentum. Same way the broader markets yesterday took a little bit of a dip. They had recovered much better. So this clearly indicates we are in a time-wise correction wherein the price-wise action may not be as strong as we would look at it. So overall 24,600, 700 has been the range. But the broader range which is basically that 24,000 mark, which was the low in July, August. That's the big trend change point. If that breaks, then the longer term trend changes. On the upside, 25,300, once we start sustaining above that, then we get into a momentum move. So for now, it's a sideways drift. And even the stock specific action keeps on getting worse in terms of no momentum. So for now, time to trade lesser and lesser.
Right. Okay. Nooresh, let's have your stocks as well, and then we'll bring on board Kannan.
So would be looking at a defensive pick only. First would be a buy on Dr. Reddy's. The stock has been consolidating at that 6,600 to 6,800 mark. Retest of the big breakout done. Once it crosses 6,800 would be a breakout confirmation. And that would take it towards a new all-time high towards 1,700, 7,400. So a stop loss to be kept at 6,600. Second is a sell on Siemens. The stock recovered well, went back to the same tops around that 8,000, 8,100 mark, and has given a reversal and a follow-up sell action yesterday. Would expect this momentum to continue towards 7,000, 7,100. Stop loss to be kept at 7,600.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.